Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I tried the plantain and potato fufu recipe. If you want to see how I made this plantain and potato fufu, keep watching. So what you need for this recipe is Irish potato and plantain. I'm just going to peel it off quickly and then chop it into smaller sizes, wash it neatly and blend it with my blender smoothly. So I was just scrolling my Facebook page when I saw this video go past my timeline. This lady made fufu out of plantain and Irish potato. And at the end of the video, it really came out nice. And I said, I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to follow the steps she used in making it to give my own a try. Hopefully, it's going to come out nicely. As I be try new things, I say, this video no go go past my timeline. No, with me, I no go try am. I went to the shop, I bought Irish potato, I bought green plantain. Oh yeah, see me now. So I'll just chop it into smaller sizes and then wash it neatly and blend it. I have a video on how to make potato fufu and plantain fufu separately, which is very nice. You are going to like that video. I'm going to be leaving the link at the top of this video and in the description box of this video. If you want to watch that video, just head on there, click on that link and you're going to watch the video. So after chopping this potato into smaller sizes, I'm just going to quickly wash it and then put it in the blender and blend it smoothly. Potato fufu and plantain fufu is very healthy in the body. More especially you are tired of eating a lot of starch. Switching into potato fufu or plantain fufu is very healthy. If you're looking for shape, like you want to lose weight, you want to start eating healthy, this recipe is for you. You have a baby, you are teaching that baby how to eat our African food. Giving the baby potato fufu is very healthy for the baby. So guys, I'm just going to transfer it into the pot and then begin the process. Like I said, if you're teaching your baby how to eat our African food, feeding the baby potato fufu is very good for the baby. One is very lightweight, two is very soft. Babies love soft food. And then feed the baby with draw soup. The baby will love it so much. So guys, I'll just continue to stir it around. The more I continue to stir it around, the more it becomes thick. Remember on a low heat because you don't want it to get burned, and then continue to stir it until you get the texture you want or until it is ready. At this point, I think the fufu is ready. You can see how thick it has become. Next, I'm going to transfer it into plastic foil, wrap it around, allow it to cool down a bit, and then I'm going to serve it. That is it. Your plantain and potato fufu is ready. So I said to myself, I can't end this video without trying this thing out for you all to see how it looks. So I quickly loosen it up from the plastic foil. I let it cool down for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how it looked. I just put it on my plate and with my delicious draw soup, I was good to go. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Oh my God. It really came out nice and everything on that plate looked delicious. So it's time for me to try it. I just quickly wash my hands. So when I tried it out, it really came out nice. I like it. It was very soft and it's good for the body. When you finish eating it, you are not going to be heavy. And also it's good for babies that are learning how to swallow. All right, guys, thank you so much for your time watching this video. I hope you like it. See you all on my next one. Bye.